So, this next few series of slides, we're going to talk about different kinds of mutations, and I'm going to clump a couple of these slides together. So, just remember that mutations can be detrimental to an organism, which means it can be harmful. It can be beneficial, which means that it's doing it some good. And sometimes the mutations don't really cause any changes at all. And the mutation doesn't affect the organism either positively or negatively. So, I'm going to show you a couple of examples before we get into some of the human ones. And so here's an example of a mutation in some birds. And so there's a protein in your body called melanin. And just like in us, birds have melanin in their feathers, right? We have melanin in our skin. We have melanin in our hair. We have melanin in our eyes. And it's what gives us color. That's what melanin is. It's a pigment. And so this kind of parrot is supposed to be yellow with a red beak. Well, guess what? Something in its DNA, right, has some kind of mutation that makes it an albino bird. And we're going to talk about albinism in humans and other organisms in a little bit. But so it doesn't have the pigment in its beak and it doesn't have the pigment in its feathers. So think about would this be a negative or positive or neither? Well, I guess it depends on where is it living, right? I mean, if it's trying to hide in green trees, it's not going to happen very well. But hiding in this yellow in green trees probably isn't hiding very well either. So if it doesn't have any other effects, it might be detrimental, or it probably isn't beneficial, but it might be detrimental, or it may have not much of an effect at all. Okay. This next this next one is a cat that has another melanin issue. And so this is not like a black cat that mated with an orange cat. This is a cat that has a genetic mutation, and so it is multiple. It is multiple colors. Okay, is it beneficial? I don't know. Is it detrimental? I don't know. It probably doesn't seem like it would have much negative or positive associated with it. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. The next group of slides is about genetic disorders in humans.